Okay everyone, today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can trim or cut video in InShot. Okay, first of all, open your application. After that create video, and I will add video. For example, I will select this video. As you can see, I was done drop the video. Okay, and for now I will trim or cut this video. The way is you just click on here your video. After that, as you can see, this is trim or cut the video. You can click in here, hold a second, and then drag, and it's done. So that is the way how you can trim or cut the video with InShot. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.